Hello, Scratchers! And today, this is episode 6 of the Scratch Platformer series. So, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is make a new copy of this project. This is episode 6. So, let's begin. So, we are going to finish this series by making a main menu. Are we excited? Let's begin. So, make a new sprite, calling it main menu background. Okay, so in this, go to costumes, bring out the square shape, make it a no outline, and make the fill totally black. Zoom out a bit, and we will make the whole screen black there, making sure to also drag it to the center. Now, it would be pretty cool if we could make a main menu screen. So let's make some text, making it white. So put it there, and we want to name it main menu. So now we have that main menu, make it a bit bigger, and I'm going to make the font. I'm going to make the font marker. Okay, make that a bit bigger, and I'll drag it over here. Okay, so now we need a play button, really important. So what you want to do is you want to go to code, when green flag clicked, go to 00. And you also want to show this block. And to make sure this is in front of all layers, go to front layer. Okay, let's make a play button. Make a new sprite, call it play button. So I just named it play button as we speak. So now what we want to do is we want to make this play button. So again, I'm going to make a square, this time being grayish. That should be good. Okay, so let's make that here. And you want to cut one of those corners, but before we cut it, make it a bit better. And there we go. I think I like that. So we can click that and drag it to the center. And then make some big text saying play. And we want to drag this in here. Pretty small. Make that way bigger. And select all of it, make it a group, and make sure it is in the center. Okay, there we go. We have a play button and a main menu sprite. So the first thing we want to do is let's bring some setup code in. When green flag clicked, go to this position or wherever you are on the screen. Then you want to make sure we show, as this is our first thing we will see on the screen. So when we click this sprite, we want this to all go away. So when this sprite clicks, broadcast start. Broadcast start. And go into, and we want to hide this sprite. Go into our main menu, and then when I'll see start, and then when I'll see start, we want to hide this script. Hide this costume. Hide block. Okay, so that is that all done there. So what we want to do now, actually, now let's test that out. So oh yeah, so it's, oh yeah, also you want to get a go to front layer. A go to front layer, put that in your play button script so we can actually see it. Okay, I'll play the game, and now we're in the game as I promised. So save a project, because we okay, so how about we make it so when we die, we will show that screen again. So go to death screen. When I receive death, there's already a block there. So when I receive death, how about we broadcast a new message naming it stop. And okay, so go into your main menu script. When I receive stop, you want to, well, show this script. So bring that a show block. Drag this and bring it to your play button there. So now we have, go into your play button and clean that up a bit. Okay, so we have a good game loop. But how about when we stop and we show the main menu again, it resets everything. So how about we go to our player spot and we have all this stuff here. But we want to get a when I receive stop block. When I receive stop, we want to go to this position, which we set it in episode 1. Duplicate that, put it back there, and we can get that code back in its spot. So now we can have some more code, but we'll do that later. You guys don't need it yet. So now what we want to do is how about we make some effects. But of course that will be in the next section. So I recommend you like and subscribe as it really helps me out. And let's go to the next section. So in this next section, we're gonna make some cool effects in our play button spot. Go to the play button actually, and how about we make it do a cool size block effect. Forever, you want to set size to 200. Wait, how about we wait a second before setting our size back to 100. And I don't know what happened there. Should be there. Okay, so how about we make that 3-second wait. Okay, so I can see a bug there. So duplicate this wait to block, put it there, and there we go. Try that there. So now it's a bit more poppy out, and then when we click it, we are in our screen there. So I really do like that there. But let's make it a bit, how about we get our music back. Play sound until done block back in its spot. Now it should be playing the sound, but now it should be playing the sound, but you know, bit buggy. Scratch buggy, so yeah, but that should be fine there. Also, I don't know where our clean jumping scripts are. Here, we did it last episode, but it must have not saved. So let's bring them back. Okay, so all I did here is a when space key press block, remove the other thing, and did this code here. So make sure that's in your play spot, and we can test that. Sometimes it's a bit buggy, play spot, and there's our clean jumping script all back in place. That was a good fix. So let's have a bit more polishing up before we end this episode. Oh, so next episode will be top-down Minecraft. Okay, so where can we make some cleaner stuff? I think the play spot needs a bit more cleaning up. Sorry, player, but you look kind of bad. Yep, I'm sorry. You're all gonna hate me for that, but this play spot looks pretty trash. So how about we make it a bit more interesting? I will get a greyish eyes to be in the center of his eyes. And make it a bit greyish. Then do that in the center of his eyes. My arm hurts, guys, but it's fine. And you want to do that. Now this guy looks a bit creepy, but it's fine. Copy and paste that. And there we go. I think that looks lots better. How about we make it in the inside too? Yeah, I think our player looks a lot better than it originally did. So how about we group this all together now? Before making sure it's still centered. Now I really do like this progress we have made on this game so far. Now, it's really good and all, but I want to, before we end this episode, I want to show you a great add-on, which is Scratch Add-ons and Scratch Tools. Don't worry about this, it's also useful. Make sure you download Scratch Add-ons, link in the description. Okay, so we will end there. Sorry for the short episode, but we will be doing top-down Minecraft 23rd, okay? Hope you do like that video. So I will see you next time, Scratchers. Goodbye, Scratch.